In case you want to upload products in large amount of quantities at a single time, you can do so with the help of bulk uploading products option. To proceed with it, from the products landing page, click on add new product and click on bulk add new product option. Now we provide three kinds of import. One is the basic import, where it includes basic product related information such as product names and pricing information. Advanced import includes extra information such as brands or description as well as categories. Variant imports includes variant related information such as type, size, flavor, etc. We suggest that you download our Excel template so that there are minimum errors while uploading products into the system. Now click on download. Open the file. Now if you see, the Excel sheet is divided into various sections. These are namely product related information such as barcode, product name, HSN SAC codes, quantity, MRP. Now let me show you a scenario where an error can be generated while uploading the product. If you see, there are certain fields written below the topic names. One is optional field and one is compulsory field. You need to enter the data in compulsory field as well in order to avoid errors. Now let me delete these names and now I'll save it. Now click on choose file. Select that file in which you have edited. Click on upload file. Click on import products. Now if you'll notice that the upload has been failed since you did not enter the necessary details as described. To rectify the error, click on the error link. Open it. Now if you see under the errors field, it is clearly describing that you have not entered the product name. Now rectify your previous file. Enter the name in the compulsory field. Enter the pricing related information as you like and the quantity as well. And finally click on save. Now you need to click on products and click on bulk add new product again. Click on choose file. Select the file for which you have updated it and upload file. Now this is known as a map fields. Mapping field is nothing but just extracting information from the Excel file into the system. You can view various fields that has been displayed here. Finally, if you are satisfied, click on import products. Now if you see that it's been imported successfully. To view the products, go to View Products tab. Now you can see that the new products has been added into the system. Hence, with the help of bulk adding products, you can add large amounts of products with ease. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can comment below or contact our customer support team. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further updates.